Garage floor looking rough with pitting and cracks? You can totally fix that without tearing the whole thing out or dropping a fortune. So here's the deal. First off, replacing the entire concrete slab is usually overkill unless things are super bad. What you want to do is clean the floor really well to get rid of dust and loose bits. Then grab some concrete patch from your local hardware store. This stuff fills in those pits and cracks pretty well. Use a putty knife or trowel to push the patch into the damaged spots, smoothing it out so it's even with the rest of the floor. After that, let it dry completely, which might take a day depending on how thick you applied it. Next, prime the whole surface with a concrete sealer primer to help whatever you put on top stick better. For a long-lasting finish, go for a 2-part epoxy garage floor paint. Rust-Oleum makes a solid one that's worth the extra cash. Apply this in thin coats and be patient with drying times. It usually takes a couple of days for everything to fully cure. This approach keeps your floor sealed, protects against moisture, and looks way better than plain paint. One of the biggest mistakes with garage floor repairs is skipping proper cleaning before patching or painting. If dust or oil is left behind, nothing sticks right and your work peels off fast. Another common slip-up is using cheap, single-part paint instead of a 2-part epoxy. The cheaper stuff wears out in no time and ends up costing more to redo. Last but not least, not letting patches and coatings cure long enough leads to bubbling or cracking down the road. Patience here saves you headaches later. Fix these by spending extra time on prep work, investing in quality materials, and following drying instructions carefully. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for garage floor repairs or any home project. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get more work by connecting with homeowners who need your skills.